In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for blocked email addresses within Zoho CRM. A blocked email address indicates that one or more of your emails have been rejected by the recipient's email server. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including an invalid email address, a full mailbox, or a blocked domain. It's important to understand the cause of blocked email addresses and take steps to prevent it from happening again. This may include updating your contact list to remove invalid email addresses, or ensuring that your emails are not marked as spam, and avoiding sending too many emails in a short period of time. Before we start, if you found any of our how-to videos useful, please share with your colleagues and like, follow and subscribe to discover our videos as they are released. Now, let me show you how to check your CRM for any blocked email addresses. Navigate to the Contacts module and filter by email. So in the search box, we're going to type in email is blocked. You've got the option of temporary or permanent or both. Let's apply the filter. This will provide you with a list of blocked email addresses. I've just got one test one here for the demo of this video. If you hover over the icon, a pop-up will appear and it will tell you if the email address is temporary or permanently blocked. Let us know if this has been useful in the comments and if there are any features you'd like more information on. Thank you.